Year 12, right back to it. So the explanation of the teapot question. As you can see from the diagram there, we have force of gravity on the teapot. We have the reaction of the guy holding the teapot. We have the reaction of the earth, etc., etc. Right? So I'm not going to read that for you. You can read through it on your own. Try to distinguish between the pair of Newton's third forces and those which are not. Moving on then, we're going to talk about free body diagrams. So diagrams showing all the forces on a particular body. We've done quite a bit of work on terminal velocity, so I'd like you to think about a skydiver jumping out of a plane and the forces due to gravity, the forces due to drag, etc., etc. Have a little think about how we would label that diagram there. Think about the physics of what happens when they open the parachute. Don't forget, they never ever go up, even though that's what it looks like on TV. They just decelerating rapidly, so think about that, and I'll give you the model answers for that later on. This was an exam question years ago. Show the force diagram of a car accelerating and how it actually moves forward. And of course, it's all to do with the friction of the earth and pushing against the earth, and the earth pushes back. So have a think about that. See if you could write down an answer for that one. You can leave out the bike one. It's very similar to the car one, so forget that. And then I want to quickly show you some force diagrams and how they work, right? So here's a picture of a car going up a hill, and we have the weight of the car, the force of the engine of the car, the friction and air resistance, which they call the drag, etc., etc. So try and label that correctly, and then your final task really is to draw a couple of force diagrams. A ladder resting between a rough wall and the ground, a buoy tied to a seabed by a strong chain. At high tide, it is completely submerged. Draw a free body diagram showing the three forces acting on the submerged buoy. And after that, then there's a few more F equals ma or F equals mv minus mu over t questions that I'd like you to try, please. And then I will publish my scribbles, my answers later on in this lesson. Okay. Hope you're all well. Look forward to seeing you soon. That's that done. Cheers. Bye bye.